Hi everyone! Last time I talked about a delicious dish, stir-fried eggs with tomatoes. Today, I'll teach you how to say it in Chinese. Firstly, egg is pronounced as 蛋 in Chinese, which is written as, repeat after me, 蛋. Great job. Now, what do we call tomatoes in China? Well, it actually has different names, depends on the region. Some people call it 番茄, while others call it 西红柿. In my hometown, which is located in the southwest of China, we call it 米辣子. And there are several other names I probably haven't heard of. But for now, let's learn the two most common names, 西红柿 and 番茄. Repeat after me, 西红柿. Good job. And 番茄. Great job. Okay, now how do we say stir fry? It's 炒 in Chinese. So the name of this dish is called 番茄炒蛋 or 西红柿炒蛋. Got it? Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like and share it. See you in my next video. Bye!